Let's have a look at this controversial viral problem. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5, 2 plus 5 is equals to 12, 3 plus 6 is equals to 21, and 8 plus 11 is equals to question mark. But why is this problem described as controversial? This is because some people argue that the correct answer is 40, whereas some say it is 96. So which is the right answer? That is what we'll figure out in this video. However, before starting, I'll advise you to try this problem on your own and then keep on watching the video to learn how to solve this problem. Let's have a look at the possible patterns. So the first possible pattern is that we multiply the first number with the second number and then add back the first number to the product. For example, if we consider the first number as 1 and the second number as 4, this means we first multiply 1 by 4 and then we add back the first number to the product, meaning we add back 1 to the product of 1 and 4, and this gives us the answer 5, which matches the answer of the pattern. In the second equation, our first number is 2 and the second digit is 5. We again multiply 2 by 5 and then add back the first digit, that is 2, and we get 12, which matches the 12 in the pattern. So can you see how the pattern is figuring out itself? We are matching the answers like 5 to 5 in the equation, 12 to 12, and 21 into 21. But the fourth line of the pattern is described as 8 plus 11 is equals to question mark. However, if you look at the pattern closely, what we can see is we are going in a continuous pattern from 1 to 2 to 3, and the second digit is going from 4 to 5 to 6. So the next numbers should be 4 plus 7, and that is why we take our first digit as 4 and the second digit as 7. We multiply the product and then add back the first digit, that is 4, to the product, and we get the answer as 32. For the next statement, we again take the first digit as 5 and the second digit as 8. Again we apply the possible pattern that we are studying and we get 45. Then we consider 6 as our first digit and 9 as our second digit, and we get 60. We continue this pattern until we get 8 and 11. And when we multiply 8 by 11 and add back our first digit, that is 8, we get the answer 96. This is how we get one of the answers that people were debating on, that is 96. But let's study now the second pattern. So the possible pattern number 2 is that we add the results of the first equation to the expression on the left side of the equation. So the result of the first equation is 5. So this means we add 5 to the expression, that is 2 plus 5, and we get the final answer as 12 in this equation. We again take 12 and add it into the third equation, that is 3 and 6, and we get 21. And now we take 21 and add it into 8 and 11, and this is how we get 40. This is the answer at which some people were debating on to be the correct answer. But can you see what's wrong in this type of pattern? The color denoted in green clearly shows that we are going from 2 to 3, but we are then going directly to 8, skipping the numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7 in between. The color yellow denotes the same, that we go from 5 to 6 and then we go directly to 11, skipping the numbers 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now let's try adding 21 to the digits 4 and 7, which gives us the answer 32. Let's now add back 32 to the equation of 5 and 8 and we get 45. Now you can see a pattern is generating, denoted by both the colors green and yellow, as we go from 2 to 5 up till now and from 5 to 8. Let us continue this pattern. And let us now add 77 to 8 and 11. And now we get 96. The answer is clearly evident from both the patterns, the possible pattern number 1 as well as the possible pattern number 2, and we both arrived at the same answer, that is 96. I also showed why people were getting the answer 40 wrong in the possible pattern number 2. However, if you have still any doubts, you can just email me at itsallaboutlogics01@gmail.com. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.